This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Well, you know what I like about the markets? Every day is a fresh start. See, look at that. How's that for a fresh start? We're getting there. We're getting there. Let's go here. Right? Is that the right one? Yes, it is. This. Bear with me. Soon we'll have camera. I think, if I'm doing everything right. And then all we're missing is charts. You guys need charts, or we're going to go to charts today? Look, the coin flip is still green. So it proves we don't need charts. Oh, you know what? Before I open up NinjaTrader, let me clean the cache. Computer's been running a little slow lately. I snuck down my coffee just in time. Good though. Here we are. We're cleaning the cache. Oh, I gotta shut down NinjaTrader. Sorry. There you go. And we clear out the historical data. Close window. Exit. Now we can open up NinjaTrader all clean. Wow, 9:26. I'm late, but I'm not late. Theoretically, I started it on time. I just increased my timer. My countdown timer, I put it to 7 or 8 minutes. As it happens when you gain weight, it takes longer to shower. There's more of you. Okay, they're slowly loading. I don't even know if I said this, but you know what I like about the markets? Every day is a fresh start. So let's get back to being disciplined. 2 lots, 3 lots, rotating accounts, just the way it's supposed to be. Except for, remember I said take profit. I talked about that last week. I got to pass it, eh? So I can't do it trying to make 60 bucks or 80 bucks a day. I'm going to have to find times where I got to get a little more aggressive on that and risk it, because I can't renew that one. It just expires. Okay, let's jump right into the 30-minute. We broke the highs, we broke the lows. Unfortunately, we broke the highs. So the 1-2 punch, which gives us the 1-2-3 punch, but 1-2-3 punch already happened. We're on VWAP. We really went nowhere from the 6 o'clock open. 23,400. It's like a remove the wicks. 330 to 385. If you remove the wicks, we're like in a 50-point range. Ouch. Ouch. What does that look like on the daily? The daily shows we're up 50 points. Maybe we'll fill the gap and go higher. That's probably my first thesis. Gold. Gold is down $1, but thankfully got above the 50-period moving average. I want to see gold rally. I want to see gold go to 5,000. Gold stair-stepping higher right now. Probably would have looked good on the on a band trade. 2 minutes to open. Bitcoin down 630. Still holding below the consolidation and the drop lower, but my theory is that that's just a fake out and we're going to head higher. It's just a theory. That's my theory. I'm allowed to have a theory. I have no idea what's on YouTube. And Bitcoin's probably stair-stepping lower. Oh no, it went lower quite aggressively. Look at that. Look at that. Very interesting. Okay. And Bitcoin, really, even this movement still didn't bring it bullish on the Renko charts. But we're going to start off with NQ. The opening's coming. I think I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to calm down. I'm going to let the 2 minutes pass. And I'm going to focus on two trades. The 2-minute break and the 15-minute retest with low size. That gives me time to... Oh, camera's still not on. Why is the camera not on? There we go. I'm assuming Omnius will show up, so we'll just set it up right away. Sound is on for Omnius. Let's go check if he's on his stream. How much time we have left? Oh, we don't really have time left. Oh, yeah, we do. We're not trading right away. So let's go see if he's doing his pre-market warm-up. Looks like he's live. There he is.
Hourly gap, 30-minute gap. So we got market open.
Oh, we're not on Bluetooth. I don't even have my Bluetooth. So let's close it down. Thankfully, we didn't pick up music. Last time I played someone's stream for 12 seconds. I got a copyright strike. Markets are open now for 1 minute. About. Heading lower. How many points? 50 to 18. Where's the... Okay, I got a fib there. Oh, it's true. We opened on the pre-market. Why did it... you see, that threw me off. This stupid thing here saying the pre-market close is different on the daily than it is on the 1 minute chart. Fucking ninja. Oops, not supposed to swear anymore. Friggin' ninja. Oh well.
Oh well. Good morning.
Oh well. I swore already.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I was thinking I need to get me a jar. I don't have no money, but I do got a bunch of rocks right beside me. Can I fill the jar with rocks?
Sure. Yeah, I was pissed at Ninja. It threw me off. It showed a different open on the daily than it does on the 1 minute. So the open was gapping up by 50 points, but the 1 minute, 2 minute ORB. But the 1 minute showed that we were opening up flat.
Oh, good.
So I don't really know what the gap fill is. You know what? When we have people in the room, I'm going to ask them what they're showing as the previous day's close. See if we have agreement. Anyways, let's look for a trade. I'm going to probably
I'm a bit mad this
short.
morning also. It's one of those days. Mad at my favorite prop company.
Oh, yeah. I don't know which is your favorite. Bullinux?
Yeah. Sent him a nasty letter.
No kidding.
So,
Are we going to get to find out why?
so I think on Wednesday, either Tuesday or Wednesday, one of my accounts, my evals renewed. They renewed it, took the money, didn't reset it.
Ah, yeah. It was a negative, or it was blown, or what was the state?
Should be blown. I think I blew it on stream.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's literally sitting at 47,800.
Okay.
So what happened there?
Well, I wouldn't. Normally, if I was troubleshooting, I would tell you to try and take a trade. But if it got reset and you try and take a trade and it works, they may
Then they'll say I'm trading it.
You're trading it, yeah. So I wouldn't touch it.
Yeah, touch it, message them, find out what the hell's going on. Because it said it renewed on the 30th. Or the next renewal date is the 30th. So that meant it should have been last week, which was Wednesday. I haven't even traded that account since like the 28th. So I haven't even traded it several days before renewal.
Isn't that funny that we both have the exact same problems? You have it with Bullinox and I have it with Apex.
So it's like, what's going on, You take my money, but you won't renew my account? Why'd you take my money?
Because we like money. That's why we're in the business for. Your money. Thank you.
Well, at least reset the account.
Hey.
I give you my money. I'll ask you to reset my account.
Maybe they just sang you the song. It's all about the money, money.
Well, I'd like to think that it's just some kind of an error.
Mm-hmm.
But like you said, they have been changing a lot of stuff lately.
Yeah. Your 2-minute couldn't have taken a trade yet, could it have? I don't see a break at all anywhere, because sometimes your system. What chip? Deal me in's working. Dealer draws 8. There you go. Wood chip. Don't do it again today.
Are you putting them in timeout?
No. Don't play deal me in again. He played deal me in. So he just won. So he shouldn't play again. Stay with the good karma.
Wood chip, good morning.
Stay with the good karma. That's what I did.
The other day I won like 3 times in a row.
Yeah, and you quit. You did good, I think. I play once. If I win, I quit. If I lose, I play best out of 5. I give myself a second chance to change the karma. And if I lose the best out of 5, I don't continue playing. Oh, really? The window's open and they're doing that noise again. I'm in a construction zone. Okay, give me a minute.
You lose the best 3 out of 5, then it's rigged. Surprised I didn't see that account yesterday. Okay. I didn't know it renewed already. I go back, I look, it's like renewed like 5-6 days ago. Watch them be like, that account still has $5 before it was blown, so we didn't renew it.
Well, if I'm reading the charts right, in the few seconds I was gone, there was a pop and drop.
Where'd you go? You hiding?
No, I went to go close the window. They're working on my neighbor's house. There we go. Boop. So I went to go, shit. And I missed this trade. This was supposed to be a long-term run. Call in. That was an expensive window close. I mean, not an expensive. It's an eval, but I want to pass it. Right now it's red. Get up to VWAP at least. Don't want to do damage to the account either. What's the account at? I don't even know if you guys can see. 52,800. You know what I'm watching for today? The 15-minute retest. It seems
We're gonna make sure we get it today. It's been a long time since I've taken that trade.
I just put it in the universe to make sure it loses.
And I like that trade. It's a good trade. I don't know how I keep missing it.
It seems much better. What a drop and pop. No, it was a pop and drop. That looks like I've missed. It could be a drop and pop too, but I missed the drop and pop. No, the pop and drop. Is that an expression, right? Did someone else coin that? Possible. Possible. I heard it somewhere else.
Sounds made up, you ask me.
Thank you. Yeah.
What do I know? I think that was your 2-minute trade there. Looks terrible. Like hell, even I want to short it. I feel kind of sleepy. I didn't sleep very well last night. Oh, hey, you muted?
Telling such a good story and I was muted. I said I slept good. Nah.
Thinking one of these nights I need to like pick a fight with my wife or something, see if she'll knock me out so I sleep good.
I was going to say, that's not going to get you to sleep good. That's going to get you all riled up. What time was that? 9:40 and 30. I'm curious. Your mic cut out there. I'm going to write down the time. I'm curious if that's just a Discord feed or is that or if it happens on your stream also.
I think it's Discord that keeps.
Yeah, see you shut off again. 9:41:02. Okay, we're going to check that out. Because if I didn't hear it, certainly my stream didn't catch it, but I'm curious to see if your stream's catching it. Light news at 9:45, PMI final, then red folder at 10. Shit. ISM services PMI. Okay.
I wonder if they have some kind of a filter or something on there.
I'm thinking maybe you put on either the noise cancellation or what's the compression. I know compression causes problems sometimes. Anyways, I wrote down the 2 times. We'll check it out on your stream also and see. Because I was going to ask, well, like that line 6 thing, why are you using it? Why don't you just connect direct? Like I'm not using line 6, so why do you have that extra layer for your mic? That I don't know if it's called line 6. I know you call it something like that.
Yeah, line 6. Because my mic is XLR.
Oh, that's the one with that thick cable type of thing there, the round solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, what chip says you dropped out twice. So on my stream, you dropped out twice.
Yeah, I think it's Discord.
Okay, I might get a 9:45.
Because remember, I have a direct feed to my mic right here.
Okay.
Probably the same thing that your mic keeps doing. Seems like it's got like a custom thing. Might need to take whatever audio processing they have off. Oh shit, this trade might actually win.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not convinced that my mic cuts off. I think it's just me shutting it, muting it all the time. Dealer draws one. LOL. And did you lose? It's funny. We both have deep voices, actually. We got
So you're saying
two Lou
you're
Rawls
saying-
streamers.
you saying you don't believe me that the mic cuts in and out?
Oh, what do you mean, mine or yours?
Yours.
No, I think we checked it one time when you said it cut out, and I checked your stream and it still worked. I don't remember. We'll have to check it. So tell me when it cuts out also, and I'll record the time and we'll check again both streams. See
Still not liking this trade.
News at 9:45, mild.
Really?
Yeah, light
I'm getting out
news.
then.
Light news at 9:45.
No, I don't want light news. I don't want heavy news. I don't want this news. I don't want that news.
Yeah, once I get my take profit trader funded account, live sim funded, whatever you want to call it, and once I get my funded futures sim funded account, I'm going to really have to track the news, because a lot of these companies have that rule, no trading 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the news. It's usually CPI, PPI, but still got to keep track of that. Like what you just did. If that was like CPI, you would be flagged because you exited a trade before the news. What do you have in your hand?
My hand.
Oh, nothing. Oh,
Shouldn't you exit the trade before the news? What are you talking about?
Yeah, no, they flagged that. That's trading before the news. Yeah, it is the dumbest rule of them all. That's trading before the news.
So they want you to get out, right?
No, they want, if you're in a trade, you're supposed to hold it.
No.
Yeah, I'll show you. It's crazy. Like what Chip says, that's the dumbest rule of them all.
How are you going to tell somebody to hold a trade through the news?
If you trade it in that window, you're trading the news. Yes, they sat down in a boardroom and they came up to that conclusion as intelligent human beings running a business.
Y'all going to send me back to personal accounts.
There is the greatest deal in the world for personal accounts. I'll tell you about it. Remind me after the stream. I don't know why nobody talks about it.
A lot of things people don't talk about.
You can actually get a personal account with no capital.
I like it already.
That's not entirely true. Not entirely true. But it's true-ish. Let's go with that.
It's true.
It's true-ish.
I exited my trade and it would have worked great.
You know what it is? It's kind of like a hybrid of a prop and your own retail account. You have to give a $3,000 deposit to back you up in the beginning, right? But then they start you off with real, like S&B Capital, prop rules. You get a certain amount to lose every day. And if you make money, your average grows and they'll increase you and they'll increase you. But you don't have to increase your deposit. You never have to. So you can have $3,000 daily loss limit already, and you won't have to give more money. It's just in the beginning to get your wheels rolling. either you check out the Blue Sky prop firm. No, Blue Sky. Check them out. I know there's Guardian also, which that guy Garland Trader talks about, but I'm pretty sure that's forex. And I was even thinking of expanding into forex, not to trade the currency pairs, but to trade the NAS 100, which is the CFD of the Nasdaq. You know how I say the top step chart is so much better than the futures charts? Well, the NAS 100 is even better and more stable than top steps Renkos. I mean, you want to talk stable charts with not a lot of, it's almost as if they only record price once a second or something. So you lose all the jiggity jaggedy wick bullshit. See,
What's the ticker?
Oh no, NAS 100. It's a CFD on, let's say, MT4 for the Nasdaq.
You don't have a ticker?
NAS 100. But you're only going to get it on MT4. Are you on MT4?
On TradeView.
You on TradingView? It's
NAS 100.
No, is it?
What it said.
That it's QQQ. I'm surprised that they'd have NAS 100. Blue Sky.
Kind of looks the same as the NQ, yeah. What is the NQ?
You know what? NAS 100 might be the cash. Maybe that's why it's so stable. It's not the futures. See, the futures, what happens in the futures markets when a bunch of people think, like when there's a light news and they think the market's going to go up and they buy it, but then they realize the market's not going to go up, and 4 seconds later it goes right back down again. But that doesn't happen in the cash index. Cash index just sat there, didn't move.
Must be on the wrong one, because this is doing the exact same thing as the NAS.
Yeah. Well, let me get you the...
all the candles look exactly the same, everything.
Yeah, I'll get you the symbol that I have.
Now, it's slightly off the same way the NQ and the MNQ slightly off.
I could be wrong. Cancel. I can't log in anymore over here, but I should have my my box. Here's the box. Yeah, NAS 100. I don't know if you can see it up over there. So it's NAS 100.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Spread, yeah.
And the price should be the same as the price of the Nasdaq, right?
Yeah. Anyways, I'll tell you from experience, for me, it is super stable. And I'm talking like really smooth charts, no fake outs, nothing. You want to trade single bar trend direction changes, you probably have half as many wrong trades, losing trades, as you would doing it on Ninja Trader. Only the price is not the same. Yeah, I could see that.
Thought the price was the same.
Well, it's the cash.
Just a slight offset.
Futures should be more expensive. I don't like this trade. Futures should be more expensive. Always priced a little bit higher because they have carrying costs.
Just had the two of them side by side and they looked pretty similar.
We'll just check the price.
I did.
23.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
No, you said, look, that means the chart looks the same. That's how I'm interpreting it.
Right. The chart looked the same. The price looked the same. It's just one moves a little bit faster than the other one. The same way NQ and MNQ if you put them side by side.
Give me the price. If you have it open.
Nah. You know, I have them side by side, right? It's the same price.
Okay. You cut out there. Maybe you said something again. I lost you. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, Joker. Trying to pass. You cut out again?
Yeah, it's 23, 369.
Okay.
368.
Yep, same price.
367.
This will be my last trade on this account if it doesn't work. That means 3 losers, 1 winner, and I'm dropping it because I want to pass this account and I'm not putting it at risk. Markets aren't playing nice with me today. Actually, I can already see the markets aren't playing nice with me today. So if I can make $20, $30, get myself $20, $30 closer.
Oh, we got buy signal, don't we?
Yeah.
What? I wasn't ready.
There we go. It's just crazy how we get some. I swear, how we get signals at the same time. It's I'm always amazed by that, and we're not even following the same system at all. No,
I just showed you.
It's amazing
How much stuff's correlated. It's all really the same thing when you at the end of the day.
Let's go up so we can go down. Yeah. I was thinking the exact same thing. You need a push? You need a push. You need some help.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push.
Yeah, that was nice.
There we go.
Yeah. Do nice push for us.
Do nice push for us. OFT, if you're there, you know we love you.
Do it. Do it.
Do nice push for us.
All right. Instead of killing the whole thing, I'm going to kill half.
Yeah, take partial.
I don't like partials.
Too bad. Okay, let's get my other accounts open. Now that the craziness is over. Oh, I completely forgot about the 15-minute retest. Look how beautiful it was.
Oh, man, again? We even talked about it.
Hey, you're younger than me. You shouldn't have the memory problems that I do.
You think at least one person in the chat would say, hey, y'all taking this retest? Y'all talk about every single day, but never take for some reason.
Yeah.
See, look, I took partial. Now it's going against me. That's why I don't like partials. Get out. Losing half my order. Could just took it all at the same time.
I'm sorry. You shouldn't listen to me. This is not financial advice. It's entertainment only. Did I entertain you?
Financial advice. Don't follow our trades. Don't listen to us. We trade drunk.
Were you entertained losing half your profits? What do I want to do? I don't even remember what I did yesterday. Still keeping those. So let's do a new Apex copier. I'm a glutton for punishment.
That was a great retest, wasn't it?
It was a beautiful one. There was 2 of them, actually. One that you would do and one that I would do.
Could have got 26 points out of that.
Oh, really? I would have gone for 10. I don't know. I got the trades by Matt. Technique in my head.
If trades by Matt jumps off a bridge, are you going to jump as well?
Hey, my dad always used to say that. If your brother, whatever he would say, will you do it too? Or if your friend would do it, would you do it too? Maybe.
Commit to it yourself, right? Yeah. Like, no, Dad. What if I jump off the bridge? Is he going to do it?
Yeah.
Don't you think sometimes I can make the bad decisions?
Oh, no. Never. The son never makes the bad decisions. We used to laugh at that every time we would do something stupid in our parents' eyes. My parents always thought it was the influence of my friend. Their parents thought it was the influence of me. Yeah, anytime anything stupid happened. Kids, you do a lot of stupid things. Well, you know, we went parachuting. They thought it was stupid. I don't know. I thought it was a great time. But they saw, you know, they saw the risk of a parachute not opening and losing their kid for stupidity. So I get it. My daughter wanted to go. I told her no. You know what she said?
You're a hypocrite.
You can't stop me. You went.
It's probably you telling her about it that made her wanting to go. Man, when I was younger, I wanted to go skydiving, but
it was insane fun.
I have no interest in wanting to do it now.
I just saw a YouTube video. A guy died skydiving. I don't know if it was a recent one or it just showed up in my feed. It was his first one. He was a young kid. It was a tandem jump, you know, with the guide or the instructor, whatever.
Yeah.
I guess they were higher up. And if you're first jump and you're higher up, you got to go with instructor. The chute opened. It just didn't open properly. So they kind of were twirling.
From what I heard, your first jump has to be with an instructor.
Yeah. No, ours was from 3,000 feet. The first jump. Wow, it's amazing how I still remember that. See how it's burned in my memory? And
maybe it's different here.
And I think your first jump with an instructor is 10,000 feet. If I said 30,000 before, I made a mistake. 10,000 feet. 10,000 feet, you can free fall a little. And then you
maybe it's different here.
Yeah. At 3,000 feet, what they do is you're in the door and the guy is holding the release. So as soon as you jump, he throws it and your chute opens immediately. But you're not jumping out of the plane. Come on, you're not going to make me lose a 4-lot. Really, it's just going to be a day of losses today. This is a long-term trade. Let me just watch this. Oh, I got to get out. Thankfully, I'm getting out at a much better price because it did that weird pop. But in order to get out, you have to climb out onto the wing, onto a bar of the wing, and go to the end of the wing and hang on, kind of like air surf. And then he tells you jump. But that air surfing was so much fun, I wasn't jumping. I said, no, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm not letting go of the wing. Wow, did I enjoy that. Like I said, like, look at me. I'm air surfing on a wing of a plane. You know, that was amazing.
That sounds like an awesome feeling.
It was amazing. And I'm scared of heights, but at that moment I wasn't scared of heights. But when I was on the chute and I'm looking up and I only see 2 strings holding me and then the ground, I was, I was pooping my pants.
Wonder how many people poop themselves skydiving.
Wow. So I got out because I got kind of stopped out. I forgot there was news and it went in my favor crazy by 70 points. Talk about lucky, unlucky. Anyways, it is what it is. Holy shit. Oh, okay.
I don't know if you could have got in. I thought about doing it, but I think it was more of a glitch, really. But the ES dropped good 3, 4, 5 seconds before the NQ on my chart.
No kidding.
Thought about it, and I was like, nah, it ain't gonna work like that. And then the NQ opened with a big gap.
Yeah.
So I probably would have got filled way down there.
Yeah, so you see that gap. I see that gap. I saw that gap. Exactly.
Yeah, but ES dropped good 3, 4 seconds before.
That's another problem, you know, that we're talking about that stupid rule. You can't get out of your trade before news. That's trading the news. You know, if you get in at 8 o'clock and the news is at 8:30, you can't get out at 8:29 because it's considered trading the news.
I ain't doing shit like that. If I need to get out of a trade, I'm getting out of a trade.
Well, they say that's Apex is the only one that kind of explains, and they say it's got to follow the rules of your system. If the rules of your system allow you to get out of the trade, get out of the trade. But if it's not following the rules of your system, you're trading the news. You have to allow the rules of your system to play out. One, that's ridiculous. Because
I'm trading with a prop firm, and they're going to deny me because I'm getting out of a trade when I'm supposed to get out. Or before news. You should get out of trade before news.
Yeah,
it's stupid if you stay in a trade.
I'm giving it until the news to work out.
Unless you're in it for the news, you know, unless you're doing like the flip or something. But other than that, you shouldn't be holding a legit trade through the news.
That's exactly why they did it.
Because everything about the trade's over once the news hits.
Yeah, and that's why they did it, because people were trying to take advantage of the news, I think, by taking their trades earlier to make it look like they're not trading the news. So they didn't want you getting out of that trade. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not in on their meetings and why they come up with these rules. Obviously, there's a reason. It was affecting their profitability in some way, shape, or form, probably based on scammers, and they had to stop it.
And if a company denies you for something like getting out of a trade before news, leave that company. Don't mess with them no more.
Well, that's the thing, you know, they say all these rules, but they never say the consequences. Like, we remove the profit, or you're going to have to make that much back. Additionally, above your, say what the explain yourselves, guys.
I think more people just need to start boycotting these companies that are screwing people over.
Well, there's this girl that has a website. I don't know, maybe you guys haven't heard of her. She's new. Something Futures Trading by Kellyanne. She has a list. She's not new. I'm being sarcastic.
Scared to say anything anymore. They're suing her.
No, that's because she published a video that wasn't meant to be public. You know, it's like me having a private conversation with you, right? And my son films it and then releases it. It was like a situation like that. It was an employee that recorded a conversation that wasn't supposed to be recorded and put it out there. And then she's publishing it. I don't know. Isn't that what Project Veritas always does? They go to meetings with hidden cameras and they catch people saying things. I see it on Fox
as an
News all the
employee,
time.
you sign a non-disclosure agreement.
Okay, if they had them do that.
Every company has you do that now.
Different systems for different time. I know exactly what, Chip. Who's to say what system you're trading? Who's to say you're even trading your system, that you're not at the moment trading impulsively or emotionally or whatever? You know, there's no trader that's perfect up there. Even I've seen Tom Hugard make mistakes and trade incorrectly, doesn't trade his system 100%. Yep. The more you're trying to trade within the rules and not just trade, the more you screw up. I agree 100%. But they are in the business to try and make money, and that's their game. So let's get my trade copier out. It's after 10 o'clock already. I thought I had it open. I need a place to put it.
I think unless you're actively doing something to try to scam a company, there really shouldn't be a reason to deny a payout.
Yeah, but it's hard to monitor 200,000 accounts, so people will get caught in the net. That's just a fact. I don't know how you're going to avoid that. Nobody would be able to. And then as a company, they have to have systems in place to figure out if someone innocent got caught in the net.
Exactly.
10:07. You warbled again. We're going to track them all. Exactly 10:07. That was a really weird warble too.
I mean, have you just been doing it recently, or is that something that's been doing?
What, your microphone?
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't think I've noticed it as much as today. But today it's because I'm partially hearing you, you know? Maybe sometimes it cuts off completely. But today I'm partially hearing you. Yeah, you're exactly sounded like you said exactly. Maybe not 3 times, but 2 times.
Don't know. I think it's Discord. I don't know why they have voice things on it. Let's do the pure audio. Pure audio, open mic, no processing.
How far are you from your mic? I'm about 12 inches.
You know, guys always lie.
I didn't catch that right away. That's why would I lie about this? How far my mic is? It took a second. Oh, that's sad.
I don't know. What is that, like 4 inches?
Oh, wow, you're really close. Because if you're far away, compression might be canceling it out.
I mean, I don't have it in my camera view like you do.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
That's not. Oh, I saw you reaching. I'm saying that's not 4 inches. That's 4 feet already. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah,
Is that better?
Yeah, it is. Let's try that.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we're going to start talking like this. We don't even have to raise our voice. Oh, I got a top step trade.
But what if we do raise our voice?
Well, then it'll just sound more exciting. How do I get into this trade? I'm so unfocused. I don't like this at all. It's in my face.
Why is it in your face?
Oh, well, I don't know. I put it here. I don't know why I didn't put it in front of me. Okay, I got a top step trade at 31. I got to take it somewhere.
You can move it out of the way. It's on a mic
take it.
stand, right?
31, 33, yeah. At a much better price. God damn.
Hey.
Oh,
This is a family channel.
Word. That's not a swear word, is it?
Skeletor, good morning. I don't know what swear words are, to be honest with you.
I would say if wet got cut out a little while ago, I would say that one was also. Okay, my first.
I argue with people all the time about swear words.
Day.
Order canceled.
They're like, you're cursing. I'm like, I didn't curse anybody. What are you talking about?
Just a bad day today, eh? I can't get any headway. Okay, well, we keep trying. Eventually something's going to work, right? It's always the case.
just keep throwing darts at the board.
Well, you know the expression, eh? Just keep throwing honey at the wall. Sometimes, or eventually, some of it will stick. That's the new expression for 2025. Throw honey at the wall.
Why are we throwing honey at the wall?
Well, usually it's the S word, but we can't. Now we got to keep it clean. Yeah, when they say, when you want to see, when
What's
you just,
I'm so bad at this.
The S word, it comes out of your behind.
Shit.
Yeah, there's the word I was trying to avoid you saying.
Is that a curse word?
Nah, you ruined everything. I just lost 3 viewers.
How's that a curse word?
Of course it is. It's not a clean word. And plus, there's an echo coming out of your speakers now because you're trying to listen.
What?
There's an echo now coming out of you.
Maybe it's picking up. Wait, might
You
be
got
picking up my
something
speaker
playing somewhere.
This guy, I don't know how to turn the speakers off.
If you told your son, sit down, we're eating supper, and he said, "Oh shit, Dad," of course it's a curse word.
All right. When you're not in a trade for a second,
I'm not in a trade.
Open Google and say, Google, what is a curse word?
My God.
I'm going to do it right now.
Yeah, I'll let you do it. Maybe I'll get into a trade.
What is a curse word? A curse word, also known as a swear word, Is a word or phrase considered offensive or taboo? You
have
can't believe Google anymore. Google
Yeah.
lies more than.
Yeah, but what you want to know is the taboo. So taboo is cultural. So now you got to do is list all the words that could be considered curse words on YouTube. How about do that? Hey, chocolate salty pellets. We're using the word pellets now. We're changing it. We're going to a family-friendly channel.
You can't say balls anymore either.
No,
Oh,
pellets.
goodness.
Chocolate salty pellets. Everything's going to, hold on, we need a new word. H-E double hockey sticks. They take away all the fun.
A curse or blasphemous word or phrase used to express anger or other strong emotions. Invoke or used to curse against. See, a curse word is used to curse somebody.
Mm.
A bad word is a word that snowflakes don't like.
Well, now you're splitting hairs.
Snowflakes and Karens come after you. You said the B word. You said the S word. Like, It's not a curse word, lady. Calm down.
Sparky, don't bother me.
I was watching something yesterday. It was one of those big channels. They had
Order
like millions
canceled.
of subscribers.
Okay.
And the guy's cussing left and right.
Order canceled.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. Look, don't know if it's true or not. ChatGPT says that the bigger channels get leeway. They can do stuff we can't.
Well, they can suck our.
This isn't going to work. I can see. Oh, wait a minute. No, I said the first day will be a learning experience. We'll get better at it.
I'm going to call my kid in here and tell him I need a list of words.
Yeah. George Carlin, I don't even know if you know George Carlin. He did a skit on that. The list of the curse words. Very, 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 very famous, popular skit.
I'm sure I've seen it before, but it might be good to go back and watch it again.
He's funny. Everything this guy talks about is funny.
Now, I explained it to my kid as, he's like, why are we not allowed to use this word or that word? When he was in like first grade, the other kids tricked him into sticking the middle finger up.
Did the teacher?
Yeah. He was so upset.
Mm.
The other kids were laughing about it. And the teacher refused to punish him and punished the other kids.
Oh, there you go. See? Using your head. Not a lot of people do that.
He's like, how am I supposed to know what that means?
Yeah, I mean, if the kid's not a bad kid and, doesn't have a history of being a disruptor, something like that happens, it was accidental. First time, no problem. Second time, third time, fourth time, then you can make a judgment and say, okay, look, this is a habit. He knows what it is. He's not listening.
I'm listening. Calling the kid to see if I can get a list of cuss words. How am I supposed to know what they are? Hey, come here.
It's your job as the dad.
I didn't call you. Go away.
One meow. No, it was 3 meows. Wood chip. Don't change the meow order.
Hey, trying to figure out a list of curse words. You got a list? Come over here. What are you doing? You got no shirt on. Please stand out of the camera.
3 meows was short. Okay, I'm holding this trade. I'm supposed to hold it for 50 points.
What was it? The S word. Is the S word a bad word? He don't even know what the S word is. See?
97. That's 20 points. I want it. I can't.
It's what comes out your butt.
I
Order
I
canceled.
tried my best. Don't hold it against me.
Huh?
For that logic, poop's a bad word too.
I agree with the kid. Did you hear that? Did y'all hear that?
Poop is the cute word that replaces the bad word.
Poop's not a bad word.
See, it's the same word.
It references the same ideology, but it's a culturally cuter way to say it.
So in that logic, then feces would be a bad word too.
It's a dirtier word. It's a
especially wet feces.
Oh my God! There's no saving this stream. That's it. It's over.
Is that a bad word too?
I tell you what, I'm gonna hook you into YouTube.
All right, what's another word I can ask the kid about?
So you're not letting go, huh?
What about the H word?
There's an H word? Oh.
You just said it was a bad word.
H-E double hockey sticks.
Is it hell?
Hell? I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. That's Christian stuff.
I didn't hear.
Oh, I love this kid.
Is the devil going to curse
All
us?
right, go away.
He said that.
He said, "What's going to happen? The devil going to curse us?" He said, "That's Christian stuff."
Once you open up the floodgates.
So I'll tell you what, if you say hell and they say it's a bad word, tell them you're not talking about the Christian hell, you're talking about the pagan hell.
Mm-hmm.
The one the Christians took it from, but the pagan one didn't have a devil with flames and all that stuff.
Well, you know what? They're going to say, you know what? To make our job easier, we don't want to differentiate. You can't use any of them. Oh, another trade.
You got me crying while I'm laughing.
Let's see if I can get in. $96. I'm at 97.50. The 300. I didn't see the 300. Let's just get out. Everything's working. I gotta make a call. Give me a second. That's funny. One camera is gone and one mic is gone. You know what? Let me move my audio to this side so I don't have to break my neck every time I want to see it. Missed a couple of trades, but take profit is up 92. That's good. MFFU is up 249. I remember I shorted at 17 plus 18. It would be 35 points now. Still not to 50. I took out 20. I got out at 90. 17. Yeah, I got out 97. Which is not looking like the greatest decision right now. But again, you guys got to remember that this thing will reverse when it crosses the black bands. And that would be around 17. It gives back a lot. It gives you the opportunity to have a large unrealized profit. But it's up to you to take it. And 20 was too early. 20, you know, honestly, 20 is where I should probably be taking partials and then letting the rest go and trying for 50, 60, 70 points. Anybody new in the channel? If you haven't already hit the like and the subscribe, make sure you do it. We mostly go over simple teachable setups, kind of like the 15-minute opening range retest. And we do have simple teachable discipline processes as well. Today we didn't talk about it. But there's the clicker we use. Why aren't I using my clicker? Mr. Omnius, where are my clickers? They're both gone.
When do I get a clicker?
When you go to Amazon.
Somebody's passing out clickers. I didn't even get one.
He's passing out clickers. One of them is missing. I got my blue one. I don't like my blue one as much as I like my white one.
Spinner, though. Can y'all see the spinner?
Yeah, I remember you had a spinner.
Got this spinner. Still on my kids' toys.
Gotta get back to clicking. I did my best trading when I was using the clicker. Honestly.
This spinner.
There you go.
I got this spinner.
You could use that. That's the ones I liked. You know, that's the same thing. You could use that. You could fidget with it in your hand at the time.
I got this spinner.
Okay, well, now you just bought a 50 lot.
My desk is glass. All right, didn't break the desk. Didn't break the spinner. We're all good.
Yeah, we're all good.
I do think we're going down, but I don't know that I have don't know that I like the entry.
What time is it? 10:30. 10:30 is good enough for account time. I know people like to see the accounts.
I don't want to be the one to say it, but there was another perfect retest of the open range.
On that side? No, I wouldn't take it on both sides. You would?
I wouldn't take this one as much as I'd take the other one, but
yeah.
I'm just pointing out it was there. Did happen. Feels like a Monday.
Because you didn't stream yesterday. What's up, Sparky? That's officially 3 meows. That's a little late, Sparky. We went down from 23,400 to 269. Now you're saying short? Hey, you know what's crazy? Through this entire decline? Wow. This is really crazy. I don't know if you can you see my whole chart here?
I can see it if I look at it. What you got?
It's time to take it off, I guess. Bearish momentum was higher through this entire rise. And then bullish momentum took over through this entire decline. I think it's time to get rid of this. There's a flaw in this indicator.
Yeah, because if I remember correctly, that one is putting bullish candles against bearish.
Yeah, it's counting the candles. But
I think what it needs is
it crossed over at the peak. Yeah, go what it needs.
what it needs is something that adds volume in there as well.
Mm. So now we got bearish momentum. Well, what I do know is that when you start to reach 65, 70, 75%, and it does really work well on strong trends, but in this case here where we kind of flip-flopped, it's getting slapped around. Which is what I said before, trading is very hard for me today. It's not an easy day for me.
Wonder if you could do the same indicator, but instead of doing it on candles, do it on volume candle.
Mm. Yeah, that's an interesting. Yeah, I'd be curious to see how that works. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pit one against the other. Should be an easy add-on.
It's actually similar to the indicator I got. Don't know, maybe you find a better way to code it.
Your sound seems like it's working better now. Did you do something?
I don't think so.
Hmm.
Maybe a mic placement.
Or maybe when you drop the spinner, it changed the setting.
Blame it on the spinner.
Hey, I don't remember if I asked you this. Do you watch your streams? Do you go back to your streams to see, to review your mistakes when you made bad trades? Or I know I talked to Joker about it. I think he said that he does. He reviews his the streams, or at least when he was streaming. That he used it as a feedback. But I don't know. I don't have the. It's like something I don't want to see again. I know I should, but I don't go back to them.
So I was doing something while you were talking, but I was listening. Yes, I do go back and watch my streams. Not all of them, but if I'm sitting in the other room, I'll put it on my phone.
Okay.
Or if I'm sitting in this room, I'll put it on the TV over there. Probably while I'm doing something else.
Yeah. Okay, but that's not specifically a review of a bad trade or anything like that. That's just...
No, I don't typically look for what's up with my trades.
Yeah.
More what I'm looking for is how's the flow of the stream feel?
Where's the Christmas colors? Underneath. There, that's the Christmas color. That's an account with Funding. I can never remember their name. Funding Futures, I think. So that's the Christmas colors.
You in the
Then
short?
we have My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and of course Apex.
Take it, bucket.
Thank you. But it's a tough day trading for me.
Got another 10 points. Don't have
Actually,
the conviction to hold.
Well, we're breaking. We just broke. Fucking. They made initial balance. We wicked it.
Hey, you know what's been working great again? That just out of nowhere I happened to check on? Was
Good job, OFT.
my old strategy.
PAs are the ones that count. Which strategy? Is that what you call? Is that the name of it? Ye old strategy?
Oh, I need a new name for it.
Yeah, let's call it the old strategy.
Did take a loss today, but it has been doing pretty good. Let's see, what's it up to? $75%.
Well,
So-
we got the 50 points. If I would have hung in on my short at 17, I said 50 points. I took
3,500 in
20.
the past 3 weeks.
Wow.
That's still including the loss of
Yeah,
the day.
I'd love to. How are you going to show me? You going to come into the Discord? You want us to switch to the public channel, or you're just going to, what do you mean? You're just going to type the results into the chat? Or are you talking about your website? Not sure what you're talking about. Whatever it is you want to show, yeah, I want to see it. I like your stuff. Whatever you got. I'm an OFT fan.
You don't go back and watch any of your live stream?
Never, 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 never.
Why?
Sometimes, I don't know. I'm kind of embarrassed looking at myself. Like, I don't know. It's weird, eh?
So you're not worried about hearing yourself, just looking at yourself.
No, the whole thing. You know, everything. The whole package. Just seeing myself on camera like that, I don't know. Irks me the wrong way. It's funny how you can be embarrassed to yourself. I'm not embarrassed or shy for the rest. It's just to myself, which doesn't even make sense.
It don't make sense.
I got to work on it. Because, yeah, there's valuable information. I mean, at Friday and Monday, I traded like crap. I wanted to go over it, but I couldn't get myself to click and go watch it. Missing a little bit of a dump here. Oh, Sparky, I don't know what it is that you want unless you have Bernie ass. I don't know if you ate spicy food.
No, I try to watch at least a little bit of mine every time.
No kidding.
I mean, I want to know what was going on, how was the stream flow, and how did it sound. It's not like I can do it while it's live.
Hey, Bitcoin is finally having a little bit of a move down again. Yeah, Sparky, okay, you win. Take some cookies.
Cookies.
Cat cookies. Anybody else want cat cookies?
Heck yeah. That's the good ones, right?
He won't shut up till, I don't know, he loves them. It's dry. I don't know why. I sent to ChatGPT, why does my cat love these so much? How is it any different than his food? So they said they put, I don't know, different oils and stuff, you know, like chicken fat, and there's a lot of fat in there, kind of like your junk food that you eat. Where did OFT go? He asked if we wanted to see something, and he just, maybe he's in the public room.
You gotta go check.
Without telling us? No, he's not there.
He might have been over there waiting the whole time.
I hope not. I'll tell him the same thing I tell my wife. Communication is the most important thing.
Oh, you're trying to get in trouble, ain't you?
You know what? She hasn't been watching the streams for quite a while now, I think. I can't set website link to here. Really? I don't know. I have everything turned off. Like, you don't have to be a subscriber. There's no moderation, even though they still moderate. I don't know. You know what? Maybe it's my permanent settings instead of the individual settings. What happens if your permanent settings don't match your settings for your stream? Which one overrides?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that only the
Who's
person
the
that
boss?
started the stream can send a link.
Really? I don't think so. I think there was a...
That's always been my understanding.
So just cheat. No, I can't see it.
But what he can do is send it to you in Discord.
No, you can even write it here. It's just got to be creative. Watch. You just do something like only. Oops.
OnlyFans?
Do it in pieces. Do it in pieces. Like only
Is he showing you his OnlyFans?
futures trading, and then type in the word dot. And of course, we know it ends in .com. So, if you do that, we know it's only futurestrading.com. Wow, nice move lower. Nice move lower. Except it's called Only Futures Fans.
As much money as they're making. Yeah, I'll be messing around, but I mean, hey, gotta make that money, right?
So this one went almost for 100 points. Woo!
You see people talking about selling feet pics and making 100,000 a year.
We just how much?
You never seen those things where they talk about people like selling feet pics and stuff?
Yeah, but I didn't hear. How much did you say they make?
Like 100 grand a year.
Holy shit! If that's true, they're laughing. I'd have to pay people to look at my feet. Did you hear what I said?
You'd have to pay people. You'd be surprised, man. There's some weirdos out there.
That could be the competition. Who could look at my feet the longest wins an eval.
Then you might find out some of them weirdos.
Footfetish.com. See there, that's how you put out the there you go. You can put out a web link. You just got to be creative. Sell limit? What happened? Did I just enter an order? Oh, thank God it was on Sim. I got all excited with the feet talk. My fingers started to shake.
See, now you're one of those foot fetish people.
It's in your email now. Okay, I'll go check it. I'll post it up here. Ping, just got it. Just heard it. Oh, I was going to say, I'm going for a coffee today, so the coin flip strategy will be moved forward by 15 minutes, 11 o'clock and 11:30. Here you go.
You got a hot date for coffee?
Yeah. Tell me if that works. Do you guys see the link, or is it only me?
What if he didn't want you to post it?
Oh, he didn't tell me. Hold on, you're right. I didn't know. Hold on. Where's the fucking remove? There we go. OFT, can I post it? I assumed. I know what happens when you assume.
They said, look at it. They say post it.
Yeah, post it. Okay. Whew, that was close. There you go. I almost got in trouble. Always walking the fine line with OFT.
Did I say prop deal shub? Shub?
Prop deals hub. Come on.
Oh, prop deals. Okay.
Yeah.
You know I'm half blind. It's so small at the bottom of the screen.
Bullinox. Views. Reviews. I like that. Reviews. Prop shop trader. Heard that one. Apex 4.5. Very nice. I like the way you did it. Wow.
Looks nice.
Best deals, compare accounts, compare prop firms. Wow, I like that. Good job. That's exactly how I would do it. Straight to funded.
How do you get codes for all those prop firms?
Day traders. My thinking would be, because I noticed that MFFU's not there and Take Profit Trader's not there. So I assume you just apply. I like it. Stock market heat maps, very good. A little bit extra information.
I've applied for several of them. They don't like me.
Good job. My next question. Oh, they are there? I didn't see them.
Oh, it gives the rating also, huh?
It will code trading tools. Did you build it all yourself or did you have someone do it? And then my next question is, how do you update it? You know, like how do you check it for stuff like an economic calendar? Wow, very thorough website. Free consistency indicator, free Ninja 8 indicators. Cool. Good job. So yeah, you built it all yourself, I'm guessing. But who do you get to update it? Like Bullinox changes their numbers. You know, now it's 83% off. I didn't even check what it is. I think I still say 91. See, my two little links. That's like a full-time job if you got to check every day with all the prop firms and update the numbers. Is there an API that can do that automatically? Or do you just pay someone out of Elance or Freelance and have them update it, you know, just give them $50 a week or something? I will share all props if I have accounts or not. I will find somebody's code. I did made it myself, all coded. Okay, yeah, good job. I like it. It's easy. There was another one I used to go to. It was very difficult to navigate. I couldn't figure out. They also had to compare and stuff, but didn't resonate with me. This one is very easy. The only thing is your Bullinox is offset. I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, small little detail, but there, your Bullinox is not aligned with all the other ones. Maybe even you know about it, or maybe it just shows up like that on my browser. Maybe if I make it full screen.
No, it's the same on mine. It's not a big deal, though.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. I'm just showing it.
Because the other ones have an icon, Bullinox don't.
You're right. You're right. So maybe the image got deleted by accident or something. Yeah, good job.
Also has a contact us. Type in your name, send them a message.
Okay, I'm going to send them a message.
And the free Ninja Trader indicators. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. There's a helicopter hovering over my house. If I lived in the U.S., I would be afraid.
Right?
It's the FBI. Open up.
Yeah, I like it. How hard was it to make?
I think it
know
depends on
anything
how
about
much
websites.
experience you have with coding HTML. It's time consuming, but if you know HTML and stuff, it's not that difficult. I'm going to get mine started with GPT. Just start it. Just have it get the basics. And then I'm going to, format it myself. But my biggest issue is, how do you get someone, or we need to podcast, etc. for that channel. Hey, I'm in for podcasts. I think Omnius is up to podcasts also. Wow, we're really dumping, eh?
Yeah, what's going on? Is that
I
from
don't
the
know.
PMI?
I don't know, but I'm not taking advantage of it.
It's really just going straight down.
Yep, let's stop it.
Yeah, right.
I just shorted. I'm stopping it.
You're
That's
thinking
enough.
the same thing. You're thinking the same thing I was thinking.
Uh,
If I was to short this, it would stop it. No, that's
I
way
shouldn't-
too far down for me.
yeah,
And
I
we're at
shouldn't-
what was it, the hourly and half hour
shouldn't be doing
fair value
this.
gap?
I'm already $22 into trouble. Okay, let me just take my loss, and that was a stupid joke, and live with it.
I actually think a little bit lower we could be looking for buys.
Mm. Well, I don't know. I'd have to. Wow, look at that on the 30-minute candle. Woo-wee.
Mm-hmm. See that gap
Well,
right there?
If I want to say, where did we do? Those. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to say anything. I mean, if I look at, you're talking about the gap on the 30-minute, right?
Yeah.
And the
Yeah,
funny
right
thing is, that's at 23,090. The funny thing is, we had an acceleration up,
Mm-hmm.
but we also had right at the exact same level, we had an acceleration down. Isn't that interesting?
I didn't see that one. Where you see that?
At a couple of days back before that. Oh, the day before that, actually. It's just the day before.
Mm.
There was an acceleration. So
In
that's,
pre-market?
it was the pop and chop. Was it? Yeah, I can't tell. 30 minutes, hard to tell. No, not pre-market. I don't think so. I think that's inside the, I think it was the 9:30 to 10 o'clock candle. Let me see.
Mm.
No, it was the 10 to 10:30 candle. No, it was the 9:30 to 10 candle. My
That's
cursor's
lower.
right on it. And it's exactly the same level, 23,090. Interesting. Let's see what happens.
I can't see it because you got it blocked.
Oh, sorry. Give me a second. What do you mean I got it blocked?
You got it blocked.
Impossible.
You got your accounts over top of what you're pointing at.
I'm sorry. Hold on. You're right. I thought only my there we go. Okay, right there. I'll just put my cursor on it. So this is the one there, the red. Boom. Wasn't a fair value gap, but it was a hard acceleration to the downside. I moved my cursor now, you can see it. And it's exactly at the same level as the acceleration to the pop, the expansion
So
to
you're
the
on the
upside there.
30-minute.
30-minute, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely, OFT. 100%.
Oh, your candle's different than mine.
Yeah.
Okay, but I see what you're talking about. I don't know. I guess. So I was looking at my.
I'm speaking on your behalf.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Podcast.
Oh, yeah. If you don't want to do it, I'm in.
I mean, it's basically what we're doing now, right?
Pretty much, yep.
Just cut the video or keep the video. I never know what's the difference.
Well, it depends. If you want to do Joe Rogan format, then you really don't have charts up. That would be an interesting format, but I think people always want to see some form of chart on the screen. That would be my opinion.
Yeah, whatever y'all want to do. Oh, so I was telling you, I was looking at my.
Go.
I was looking at my. Well, go ahead. What you got to say?
Oh, I was just gonna say that I asked Mike Stunts and Joker if they wanted to do like a quick 15-minute or 30-minute official interview. You know, I would create a thumbnail advertising it for the week, you know, with a little circle, you know, either on the stream I would show it, whatever, you know, that type of thing. I don't know if he's on vacation. Joker still shows up, but since I mentioned it, I Mike Stunts showed up like one time for 2 seconds. I haven't seen him anymore. I hope I didn't scare him away with that. You can just say no if you're not interested. You know, I'm not a sensitive guy. But some people have a hard time saying no. That's
that is true. A lot of people disappear instead of just saying no.
Yeah. So what's the lesson learned? I asked him in a public forum. It was in a public chat with like 6-7 people around.
No, it's always best to ask people stuff privately.
Privately, yeah, that's the lesson learned. But OFT, I'm in, even if you ask me privately. I'm not just saying it because there's an audience now. Excuse me.
I don't know, the whole audience thing don't bother me. I can still say no. Watch. No.
I want to more like trader interviews from traders. I will send you all questions beforehand, like what's your style, trading habits. That's exactly what we wanted to do. So it works perfectly.
Sell it. This was a terrible spot. Who told me to sell
Who's got
this?
1 million chips? Oh, Nightbot. Oh, it's not 1 million. It's 140,000. Sorry, I read it wrong. Ping. Oh, that's time to do...
Fine, take all my money. I don't care. I do care. I do care. Don't take all my money.
Hope all is okay.
Yeah,
wow,
I kill it. Fine, take all my money.
Yeah, so OFT, just let me know. We'll get organized. Everyone go long. Everyone go home. You'll hop into the Discord, or if you have a Discord, we'll hop into your Discord and we'll hash out the timing, the details. Well, I had a long, but remember what I said? That you need a retrace and then a continuation. So here's a perfect example. Here's the simple and teachable stuff. Sorry about the throat. I should put it on. Simple and teachable. Wait for the retrace and the continuation. You see, no continuation. So if I would have gotten in somewhere in the bands without the continuation, I would have had a loss. And then the same thing on the downside. If I would have gone short without waiting for the continuation, I don't know who that is. I don't get it. I would have had a loss. Now we're bullish. If I get in without the continuation, I could potentially have a loss, but there's the continuation and I'm going to go long. And now I keep my fingers crossed and hope that this goes a little bit higher. I'm not supposed to be long for 4 lot, so I'm going to get out of a piece. And now I'm going to hold.
Why are we long? What's the conditions?
Broke above the bands, retrace, continuation. So I have a 2 lot. I'm going to hold for approximately 5 bars. That's 3. At 5
What
bars,
bands?
I take... Huh?
What band did you break above?
Ah, the screen that you told me to remove. Now I got to find it.
And your mic was cutting out again.
There we go.
Oh, those bands.
Yeah, the great bands of fire.
OFT's talking to you.
So now we got 5 bars. After 5
And you
bars,
already
I'm supposed
agreed,
to
so
be
you can't back out now.
next month would be realistic. Sounds good. And now I'm supposed to hold minimum.
You didn't read the rest of it.
What? Next month would be realistic.
There's
That's all
another
I
one.
got. No, I
What?
don't have it. I just have next month would be realistic.
How can I see it, but you can't?
I don't know.
You got it on top
I
chat.
have 2 screens up.
You got on top chat or live chat?
I don't know. What's the difference? What's
One's
top
live,
chat?
one's top.
What? What does top even mean?
Do you have it on live chat or not?
I have no idea, but I'm looking at my, listen, because I want to solve this. I have a laptop that's connected as if it's watching the stream. I only see next month would be realistic. And I have my chat box from OBS, which also only shows me that.
And at the top of the chat box, top left, does it say
Top
live chat or
It says
okay,
top
put
chat.
live? Put live.
But oh, both of them are top chat. What's the difference?
Well, one's not showing you the bottom comment.
Some messages may not be visible. Holy stupid.
You never knew that?
No. There we go. Did I mention that you have to be? Yes, you did. Why do you think I accepted? Oh, by the way, you didn't say I have to be. You said we have to be. I'm sure I heard we. Okay, I just switched it on both my
Sad part is sometimes it changes back by itself.
well, at least now I know about it. It's just ridiculous. So it filtered out the word naked and didn't show it to me. Naked was the offensive
And
word.
no, it didn't filter it out. It's just you had it on top chat.
Yeah, and the definition of top chat is some messages, such as potential spam, may not be visible, but I'm sure in there they also are filtering out what they consider bad language or offensive language.
The top chat is when your chat's moving too fast, you put on top chat, so you're just seeing what they consider the more important things.
And they didn't consider me being naked important? They didn't consider that detail, that I have to be naked? They didn't consider that an important detail?
I guess not. Sometimes mine goes back to the top chat and I miss chats. And
By the way, I always stream naked. Why do you think I turn my camera off every time I get up? You want to know a funny story? I was filming a video and I didn't film it in, I have a channel called Video. So only I can go, main ideas to promote your live stream, and you can share ideas from your trading style. Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's even if it's just about sharing ideas, you know, and help grow your channel, then it's good too. Yeah. Okay, I have a channel in Discord. It's called Videos. Have you seen it?
me, I don't think so.
Yeah, it's right on top. It's right under our channel. That's called private stream or whatever. Anyways, the only one who has permission to go in there is me, because when I make videos, I don't want to be interrupted. I'm doing the audio, you know. I'm talking into the mic. So I did a video, but I said, Omnius isn't going to show up. I did it in the private. I did it in the private one, not the private one though. Let me get the names here so it's consistent. My story makes sense. Hold on. Yeah, okay. There's the one called Videos. That's mine, for me to make videos and do the voiceover. Then there's the one called Private, which is what you and me go into. And I think my sons have access to Private, but they don't come in it.
Yeah, I don't see the videos.
Oh, maybe that's why, because you don't have permission. That's why. So there you go. Makes sense. You don't see it. I thought you would see it, and I just thought you didn't have access to it. But yeah, since you're not invited, you don't see it. Okay. But I did this video in private, so you could come in there. And then I just left it with the camera on, everything. I went into the shower. When I was showering, I had some ideas for the video. So I came out naked. I'm standing right in front of the camera, and I'm writing my notes on my desk. And then I remembered, holy shit, this is on, if he happened by coincidence to go there, my schlong is like right in the camera.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
What a great day to not be home, huh?
Uh-huh. So that was another learning experience. Do not create videos inside the private channel. Create them in the video channel.
What the heck is this guy doing?
Well, you know what? The stupid camera, it doesn't come with a shutter. You know they have the shutters to close the lens?
Yeah, mine has one right
Yeah.
there.
All of mine have them, except for this one. I have 3 cameras, and my favorite one is the one without it. I don't know why it's my favorite one, because it's really small. It's like the size of a quarter almost.
Well, you don't have to tell everybody.
What? That it's... Could you stop?
I'm not the one trying to tell everybody. You're trying to put it on camera. You're trying to tell everybody about it. I mean,
It's
at least go with the age. At least go with the age thing. They say it gets smaller after age. I mean, something.
It's the camera that's small. I don't know why I prefer it.
Okay, yeah.
For some reason, I think I prefer it. I think it also has a clearer image. I don't know. I just like this camera. I really like it. Camera. Wow, look at all these crisscrosses over, eh? Another one. 1, 2. These would all be losses if you don't wait for the retrace. And I want to point out, the one retrace is the one that worked. Look how nice. And I got nice profit out of it.
Mm-hmm.
The only one that didn't win it. Would have lost. Retrace, continuation, made money. If you would have gotten in without the retrace, you would have lost.
Is that still the long you took earlier?
No, the long I took was here. And then
I already pretty short since then.
In that time, it crossed back over and crossed back over. And I'm not watching topstep. It just got.
I might have been short while you was long.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. I think you probably got short in the 1101 area. Oh yeah. Shit! I'm still in a trade.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, now you sound like me. Don't even know you're in trade.
I forgot. Hey, and it worked out. It was green.
So I noticed with my camera, I got to wipe it off about once a week.
Ooh, yeah.
Or it gets blurry.
Yeah, blurry.
Need to get me like a special rag just to wipe it or something. Mine has a red light, tells you that it's on. It's got a shutter, but you can't really tell the shutter's open or closed.
Yeah, no, it's the same thing here. Even on the one with the shutter, you can't tell. Yeah, you gotta. If you want to be sure it's closed, you got to play with it. Hey, finally, JC shows up. Thought I lost you. And she sends me a 4-leaf clover. Is it that time of the year already? Is it the lucky Irish?
That's St. Patrick's Day, right?
Yeah, it is. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the like or subscribe. Make sure you do it now. Hello, everyone with a heart.
Hello, JC.
We cover simple systems, teachable setups, simple disciplined processes. I use a clicker. Omnius is starting to use a spinner. If I can get him to. And most importantly, we have high win rates. OFT, if you're still there, check it out. No more Christmas colors. The only thing that's red is my sim account, sim101. -7. So I converted that account. It's all green now. That's all I traded. Yes, you want to answer
Mike
that?
Gets
or is
Mike
that for
gets
me?
a clicker and some balls. All I get's a bunch of toys, right? Iron Man.
They are toys. They are toys. Are you asking me or Omnius, JC?
What was the question?
Where's your beautiful son?
My beautiful son.
So I don't know if she's asking me because my son trades right behind me. So maybe he went out of the house and she wants to know where he went, or she's asking you. And it looks like she's asking you.
I call him, but I don't know if he's got a shirt on. I'll call him to find out.
Tell him to put a shirt on. That's the first thing you tell him. Give him yours.
Whoa. Calm down. I don't live in Canada. I'm not from Canada.
Wow. Look at my wife. She typed in Skeletor Emperor correctly. And I never, ever, ever noticed it was Skeletor Emperor. I always thought it was Skeleton Explorer. Shit, and I was always saying, hello, skeleton. in
we'll say
OFT's
hi.
channel.
I can't. You don't want to sit on me? Don't sit on me then. You want to stand? I can't see you in the camera. Fine, go.
Ah, she's taking over.
Y'all are as bad as this guy.
Taking over the stream. Look at that. He's going to disappear into the woodwork. It's so cool. You look beautiful. You don't have to fix your hair.
No.
Get it. Oh, it's true. Hey, look how he goes in and out. That's so funny. I said you look beautiful. You don't have to fix your hair. Tell your daddy to get you a toy clicker. It's for training the animals.
Okay.
Hey, last time your brother did the last time your brother did the coin flip. You want to do the coin flip today? We can do it right now.
Who does?
Give me a thumbs up. Coin flip? No? Yes?
I'm gonna walk through a wall real quick, okay?
You want to do the coin flip? There we go. Okay, she wants to do the coin flip. Tell your dad. Dad, give me the coin. You have to say, Dad, give me the coin. Tell him, Dad, give me the coin now.
Dad, can I give you the coin? My turn.
No, you did it last time.
Oh my.
Hold on, I got to set up. Takes me a bit here. Cancel all orders, make sure flatten everything. I know you don't know what that means, but I have a lot of disconnecting to do. Almost there. Bear with me. 2 more. I'll count it down for you. You still hear me? Thumbs up. Excellent. 1 more. They all disappeared. Now we got to go to Bullinox. Okay, we're in business. We're ready. You can flip the coin.
Why don't you say hi to him? Where's the coin? You gonna flip it for us today?
Flip the tiger.
It's over there. It's by my phone. Over there. See it?
Coin flip. I am ready for the coin flip strategy.
This way. Heads.
Here, hang it right here.
Tails. Flip it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Over here on the... Over here. Ow. Come on, the bitches.
Tell your dad he said a bad word.
Tails.
Hello.
Okay, we went short.
You gotta say tails.
Okay. Tails.
Tails, we went short. Tell him.
Let me do it some more.
That's it. We have a winner. Tell your dad we have a winner.
Did it win? I think it won.
It won. Tell him we have a winner. Go like this. We have a winner. No, we have a winner. Yeah, I see, but you got to do it like this. Can you see me? I see. I see. Yeah, we have a winner. No, but you have to scream, we have a winner.
You gonna do your dance?
We have a winner.
Come on, you can say it louder than that. Yeah, somewhere in between. Try one more time.
Say bye.
No. Tell him, Dad, I'm not finished. Ah.
Bye.
Dad, I'm not, tell him, Dad, I'm not finished. Tell him I still have more. Tell him I still have more things to say. Bye.
All right, come on.
Say hi.
Oh, yeah, say hi real quick. Here. I gotta go check on my trades. Oh, I don't like that one. Okay.
Whoo. In the
Hello.
meantime, hello. Who are we talking to now?
Oh, sitting on me. Uh-oh.
Are you going to do the next coin flip?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So tell me about
Got me going
Fortnite.
on here.
You play
Fortnite.
Fortnite or you play, what's that game with the square my daughter plays? Not Sims. What's the other game that's really popular?
Minecraft?
You know, Minecraft. So you play Fortnite. You don't play Minecraft.
I play both of them. Actually.
Okay. Which one are you better at?
Okay.
I'm definitely better at Fortnite, but
Oh,
I'm pretty
here's
decent at Minecraft.
Oh, yeah? I don't get what people like about Minecraft.
They like I'm pretty sure it's mining and build and crafting a house.
So like creating a world and stuff. And Fortnite,
Yeah.
Fortnite is a first-person shooter style game, right?
No.
Fortnite's not a
it's actually like a third-person shooter
third
game.
person, really?
Where you
You're
fight
not
against
seeing,
people.
your view isn't right
People.
behind the gun.
Nope. Usually
You're a character.
yeah, sometimes it is third person. It is first person. Sometimes on certain games in Fortnite.
Okay.
And Fortnite have like 100 different games. Hundreds.
Yeah.
Nowhere we know all of them.
You should ask a kid how to trade. Do you think we should do a series on
Heads or tail if I'm a good trader.
well, we're gonna have an opportunity to do that again in, I don't know.
It's
I mean,
heads.
tell your dad we can do it right away if he wants. If he says yes, tell him, Dad, can I do the coin flip? Because we're supposed to do 2 a day.
It's up to him.
Can I do the coin flip?
It's up to that guy.
Can I do the coin flip?
I'm in. Give me a second. I have to set up.
Do it. Do it over there.
Don't let it fall in the river.
Okay.
Tell your dad
Oh,
I
you
see
got
him
that one.
monitoring us
Do it
like
where
the
it falls
police.
Right there. Come here. Come here. Do it where it falls right there.
Okay, coin flip trade, official number 2. There it goes, ding-a-ling-a-ling. We're all ready.
It landed in the river.
In the river.
Yeah.
Okay, get a canoe, go get it, come back.
Is this heads or tails?
I can't see. I guess we're gonna have to. I have no idea.
I think it's tails because I'm pretty
Wow.
sure I said this is heads.
If you want to be the world's best trader, you can't think. You have to know. So you got to go confirm with your dad.
This is
Tails.
tails. It's
Tails it is. We sell. Okay, we're short.
Let's see if it's a winning trade.
Oh my God, look at that. We're almost at take profit. The other one went so fast. This is going to be a double winner. I think a double winner day. Oh, push. So you have to say push. Push.
Push.
Push. Push. Push. Push. Push. Oh! No, we won. It's it. It's gone.
Let's go.
We got a winner. That's 2 for 2. There you go, Wood Chip. We don't have to
Let's
ask
go,
the kid
I'm
how to trade. The
happy.
kid knows how to trade. That's 2 winners.
But all I gotta do is flip a coin and it'll tell you what to do.
$187. You guys made more than me. I only made
This guy wants to
149
ask you
since
how
I
to
opened this.
trade. Tell him your best. Look at that chart over there and tell him how to trade it.
No, I'm
flip
good.
a coin. It says flip a coin.
Flip a coin.
Flip a coin. That's
The
my
co-
guess.
The coin flip strategy is killing it. Let's
I
change
just
the results.
Flip a coin. I just flip it.
Yeah, but we only do 2 in a day. That's it. That's the max. We did our 2. Let me change the data.
Cool.
This is day 8.
You're supposed to be doing chart analysis.
Now we're at
I have no idea
53.84.
what that is.
I have a headache again. That's terrible. Because this is a really fun
Look, that
day. So
mic
it's
fixed me
definitely
way
not
back
stress. Currently,
Yeah.
10 winners, 5 losses. Update. There we
Yeah, I
go.
can check my
Oh, you
chart
know what I
again.
should put in? The
I
date.
like streaming in the garden. Here you go, Dad.
Nah, I still don't like it.
Here you go, Dad.
Okay. Get my coin back. You can't steal our lucky coin. I'm selling it on eBay.
For $800.
All right. Let me kiss one. Okay. All right, go play. Okay. How'd our last
Okay.
strategy?
We
How'd
are
our last
all
coin flip
updated.
do?
Winner, winner.
Sweet.
Yep. Okay, there we go. That's what I said. I knew it was going to go there. I just got into it. Oh, I thought that was wood chip. It made, but yeah, look, they out traded me since I opened up the Bullinox platform. They made 187. I made 149.
I was trying to get him to do the chart analysis, but he wouldn't do it.
Are you going to teach him eventually? You have that as a plan in the future, maybe?
I do, if they'll ever learn. I think the boy would be amazing at trading.
You have to get
older,
older,
way better than I would.
I think you got to be in your at least 14, 15. I'm guessing. I don't know. Oliver Velez teaches them he starts very young, I think. He has classes.
I think now would be the time for him to learn. He loves math and everything like that.
Okay. Yeah, he's got classes for kids.
It's amazing that sometimes some of the things he'll look at and he'll notice such like fine detail. It's like, who the hell told you about that? He's like, I don't know. It's right there, Dad. You don't see it? I'm like, I see it now that you pointed it out, but no, I didn't see it before.
98. Oh, I didn't notice that. That's an error.
Yeah, I think if he'd start trading, I think he'd catch on quick. Long as he don't go the ICT route, then I'll have to take him outside, duct tape him to a tree, spray him with a water hose.
I don't agree. I don't agree. I think there's value in the ICT method.
God, it was a joke.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I'm trying to get out of this, and they're making it hard. I'm out. How much did I lose in that error? $12. Whew, thank God. Thank God. Oh, I can get back in. I didn't just see. We got a band bounce right here. Let's do a band bounce. Bands. There we go.
I did watch this cool video over the weekend that was talking about why my trading sucks so bad, and it's because I learned too much. Learned too much ICT.
Sometimes. A lot of green traders experience incredible success in the beginning.
I thought this one was a good video. I'd play it, but I think it had some kind of like music in it.
Well, remember when I showed you the stream there by Luna when I won the account?
Whatever you said, you kind of cut out again. What'd you say?
I was gonna say, remember when I showed you the stream from Luna when he had the account giveaway? Let's just phrase it that way instead. Hold on, I want to get out of one piece of this. I'm not feeling lucky. It's taking longer than it should. Anyways, yeah, he was playing music in the background. I didn't notice, so there was copyright strike against it. I gotta go fix it. I didn't fix it yet.
Oh, yeah. I think this video had some kind of music.
Okay, that's it. So,
I thought it was an interesting video, though. Talking about too much chart analysis, too much going on.
Well, it's a whole...
It's like at the end of the day, you know, just pick something and trade it, and worry more about being a trader than focusing on 100 million different things.
There's a whole bucket of reasons why people lose money. Not just, I mean, they're all valid. One isn't more valid than the other.
Right.
You can create a 2-hour video on stuff like that. That is certainly one of them.
I mean, it's kind of interesting because your chances are really kind of the same to win money or lose money. But yet everybody loses money. Everybody blames it on everything else, but in the end, it's really just us.
I would mildly disagree with that. And you want to know why? Because
Sure.
if you invert a system, it doesn't do the exact opposite in results.
Right. We
If
talked
one
about
makes
that before.
one will make 1,000, the other one won't lose 1,000.
Right.
It's quite a bit different, the results, and that's an eye opener. Like I've had systems that just lose and lose and lose and lose and lose. That I code, and I say, "Wow, it's a no-brainer. Let me invert it." You invert it,
Mm-hmm.
and it
Still
still
loses.
loses. It loses a shit less. Oops, a lot less. Maybe it's mildly green, but if the other one was losing on average $2,000 a day, this one isn't making $2,000 a day. It's making $100 a day. And it's the way the orders get filled, because market orders on the losing system, your market order is worse. Well, all market orders take away all the time.
Yeah, but you can use limit
always
orders.
worse. Even if you use limit orders, then what happens is the stop gets triggered on the losing system, right? But the winning trade on the inverse doesn't get filled because it only touched it, and that happens enough times right there to invert.
So you're saying it's designed for us to fail?
It's not its design. It's just the way the market and the orders are executed. It's designed to make you fail. Well, I don't think it was purposely designed. It's just that's the way the orders are, and there is no other order. There's a limit order and a stop order, and the limit orders and the stop orders have rules, and those rules
take me another 7 points. Just little micro scalps today. But then how do you explain, like, so I was mentioning before, if you had level 2 data, about 5 points above and 5 points below the price, there's a whole lot of orders. So a lot of the big companies, they're micro scalping the spread. So how do they get away with it? And if you're saying, well, commissions eat you up, the spread eats you up. So how are they getting through the commissions and through the spread and all that?
Well, when it ticks that price point, who's getting it? You don't get it, but who got it? Maybe they have priority. I don't know. I'm guessing. I'm not saying they do, but that's a possibility.
I would say they do because they're at the exchange, and they probably pay for the exchange fees, which gives them priority.
Really? I didn't think that would have been a loser. Which account just lost? Oof.
One day I'll show you my spread strategy. I haven't used it in a while.
No, Sparky, it's not more cookies. If you want to come up? You want to jump up and say hi? That's one thing.
I don't even know if I could use my strategy. It'd probably crash my computer.
Yeah. Well, nobody would want you doing that either. I don't even think a private account would want you doing that.
Yeah. Well, there's no rules against it.
That is true.
I mean, technically there is, but I don't know. But it involves putting orders on the screen, and they move a lot, so messes up my Ninja Trader.
Hey.
And for some reason, my copy trader can't handle it. It's too fast.
Wow, you got to be kidding me.
How are you short?
I don't know. Don't ask.
Copy trader.
Nope. Let's get over to bands.
I was trying to figure out how to code my strategy. I can't figure it out. I can't get the code to simulate what the market does. That's why I got to get your input on it.
Mm. Sparky had jumped on me and everything went sour. 11:29. The big
Are you
wood
really
chipper
blaming
was
the
coming.
dog?
Cat.
Are you really blaming the cat?
I am.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Sparks, get down. That'll be 3 days in a row now that I'm doing stupid. What's the range? 16 points.
Kind of feel like a short would be interesting, but I also kind of feel like we're just going to chop sideways.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. Okay, I survived. Let's get organized. I've played with fire way too many times in the past 3 days.
Sooner or later you get burnt.
Yeah, and the fact that I didn't get burned is really lucky. Really, really lucky. Because I put myself in a position where the market had me and could have blown the account.
Creating bad habits.
Yep, not clicking. And guessing where I think the market's going to go rather than taking my signals and stopping out. See, when I take my setups, I know where to stop out. But when I say the market's going to go lower and it goes against me, I have no stop because my mind says, no, the market's going to go lower. I just timed it poorly. So I don't really have a logical place to get out. Anyways, I'm going to accept my fate. It's too bad because I had $100 and some odd in my Bullinox Master account. Now I only have 62, and then I traded another one, and I'm down 54. And I think that'll be it for me. I have a terrible headache. That's 2 days in a row. Can you get a headache from foot odor?
Saying your feet stink?
Look at all those band bounce trades. So beautiful.
Why do your feet stink? Go wash them.
Go wash them. Come on, let's go
Got it.
lower. Let's get a black bar here. Come
I
on.
didn't feel like that was a joke. I feel like your feet generally probably stink now. You just told everybody.
Just because you think it, don't make it true. Fuck.
Take a poll. Chat type 1 if his feet does stink. Type 2 if they don't.
Do that on your stream.
All right. He don't want y'all to.
You will not catch me on another one.
We're going long, short, long.
Long. Just simply trading the bar. I'm saying you're not going to catch me on a 1, and they're going to catch me on a 1. God damn it. $300 there for a 1?
Language. Man, it's really just chopping sideways.
It is. Okay, got some back.
Push. Push.
You're off
Give
camera.
Give me a nice push.
Give me a nice push.
You still in? You didn't get out?
I got in, I got out. I got in, I get out. I'm playing the vibrations of the market.
Okay.
When the bullish candle turns a little black, like there, I get in. Oop, I guess it didn't work. It went really fast against me. Now I'm hanging on because they caught me. I gotta get out. To hell with it. Now I'm down 392 again. Better down 392 than a ton more, huh?
I suppose.
I suppose. What account am I screwing up? Oh, that one. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not bad. Yes, I have one
These are
that's
the
at
strategies you're going with.
50,000, 51,231. So that's the wick. Are we going to wick it and go back up? Or are we going to trade lower? I thought we were going to break higher. Really looked like it. Broke above the swing low.
Take it there for another 12 points. Sweet. I'd have held that one longer, but I felt like it was so low after I got in. Now we're pushing down to support 23,100. See what happens.
Okay. Yeah. I was down 392. Now I'm down 38. Now's when you tell me, Mike, stop. You're trading like an idiot.
I don't tell people how to trade. I don't give trading advice.
Entertainment. Now is where you entertain me with the sentence. Mike, stop. Okay.
You have to lay your head on your pillow at night. I can't lay my head on your pillow for you. If you're laying in bed thinking, damn, I really kind of messed this day up.
Why didn't Omnius fix it when you had a chance?
Nah, can't blame me. All I can say is that trading's about habits. And if you're making bad habits, sooner or later you're going to get caught. It's inevitable.
Let's cut that size down.
What was that one meme? You either trade with a plan or you're the liquidity.
I like that.
I would say that every trade has to have a stop loss and a take profit and a complete formatted plan.
No, definitely. Everything should have.
Then we all know sometimes I don't do that myself, so. But I still have a plan.
But the problem is, with no stop loss, you allow yourself to say just a little bit more, just a little bit more. I'm going to add all those terrible
I mean,
things.
realistically, I've blown up accounts with stop losses too, because you get into the chop and you're like, oh, this is good, get stopped out. Okay, well, now it's going to go this time, get stopped out. All right, well, it's not going to fool me 3 times in a row, get stopped out.
Yeah, that's death by 1,000 cuts.
Yep. Then you start thinking, well, if I just didn't have a stop loss, this wouldn't have happened.
Mm.
And there goes the account. Speaking of blowing an account, they still haven't messaged me back on Bullinox. Hope they're not trying to do me dirty. So part of me thinks this could be the bottom right here. Where's all of our reversal traders at? What do they think? Everybody sleeping?
Well, you were talking about the pivot point, no? At the 23,175 about for a while.
I didn't mention the pivot point, did I?
No, you just called it an area of support, I think you were saying.
Oh, the gap.
Mm.
So we're in the gap, 60-minute, 30-minute, and then we have an area of support at 23,100. But it's an old support. It's back a few weeks.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Could blow through.
Yeah, well, that's the level I'm thinking. I'm thinking 23,100. That might be what people are watching.
Just got to see how it reacts to it. Oh, and we got this candle here. Could be what they call it, capitulation candle.
Capitulation.
Is that how you say it?
Sure.
You know I don't know how to talk.
You're doing a good job.
All weekend I had all those Yankees asking me about my accent.
Mm.
Like, where do you get that accent from?
Well, does your wife have the same accent?
No.
She's born and raised Floridian?
Since she was young. I think she was born a Yankee.
I didn't
They're all
notice if your kids have an accent. Didn't stand out to me, so I'm guessing no. I mean, there is a southern accent in Florida. I know that for a fact because when I'm in Florida, they all used to laugh at my accent. So if I talked the same as them, they wouldn't have noticed it. So definitely there's a bit of an accent down there.
It's not that noticeable.
But yours is more southern.
Yeah. You hear a lot of like Canadian people speak, and it's like they're definitely Canadian. Hey, hey, they're definitely Canadian.
Hey. I A a lot. I'm an Ayer. Huh? It's like saying huh, right?
Yeah.
It's all the same thing.
Right.
Right. Hey. Okay, my account is green now after flirting with disaster. So, Omnius, I think I'm going to call it quits here. I have a terrible headache. I want to go take something for it before I start to see stars. And again, I'm not streaming tonight. That's 100%. Actually, I went on stream yesterday at 9 o'clock.
I woke up and I seen a stream. And I was like, what is this?
Yeah, just to, there was some volatility and I came on for the 9 o'clock. Maybe I'll do that again today. Come on for the 9 o'clock open. Who knows? We'll see how I feel. But most likely not. And I'll be streaming tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. I'll say it again, guys. If you haven't already had the chance to hit the like and the subscribe button, do it now. We go over a lot of simple teachable setups, like the 15-minute retrace or retest, 2-minute opening range. They're high probability setups. So hit that subscribe button, the like button, and we'll see you next stream.
Later, guys. Had fun. See everybody tomorrow.
Wiggle those two
Peace.
fingers.
Peace.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home, in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.